Ladies and gentlemen, imekuwa muda sana ndacha asembeo na nderero tigangwane specifically siasa cia Gusii Chibulaburu of recent Chibulaburu cha nyali kwa chikwenekiwa ase orogongoro rwa Gusii especially in Kisii County ase omugabana Simba Arati akora abantu bae.
I'm recording this clip with a lot of pain. Ekera ikona enda matanga sobo Mheshimiwa Chris Obure ni team ya Matiang'i Mheshimiwa Machogu na were attacked na boda abare guns kwa Mheshimiwa Simba Arati
That's why I'm telling Born to Win, I come bold the wrong question. Why am I participating in Gunism? In a participating in Gunism, whatever they want to target over they want to target Machogu, they target Donya, and they target Janet. So Donya is among the people targeted to be beaten. So Born to Win, how am I a goal?
Inki Kisii County. Recently, mama ite buna almost friend of King Matiang'i anya atakoba ka kwa announce kanga yae yokupoli kirokeri ekenene kyo president in 2027. Simba Arati no mugabana o Kisii County and currently is Ruto's appointment at Kisii County. Igono muntu ku support William Samoei Ruto. Previously, ilikuwa projected like ndogo atu mwana itoko ku Fred Matiang'i na yatukuchukua koboko. Simba Arati alikuwa katika ile mrengo ingine ingemkalia ngumu because Kisii County ama Gusii people had already decided buna omuntu baguchiko support Fred Okengo Matiang'i na omwelekeo Fred Okengo Matiang'i aguchikoa abantu noro bakubwatia, and this left Simba Arati at a dilemma. Atakuwa aje, atasupport nani, like siasa yake itakuwa namna gani?
Monto yomo boda kutoka Menengo stage,
so anaweza aje fanya mambo bila
yanga tera kondoni
kuenda against the party principles. Ilikuwa ngumu sana, and that is why I made that video saying Simba Arati is at a dilemma. Simba Arati is at a crossroad. So but as things are now,
pamoja na timu yako yote,
it is like Simba Arati
na Simba Arati
copy maba
because I'm supporting Fred Matiang'i.
Mubate chinguru
I want to tell you for free,
mubate chinguru
we have worked for Simba Arati before,
and this is a fact.
Because to akore Simba Arati no ni numo kwenye kwa mwenyanyari.
Ni fact Simba Arati
used our small resources to work
in many
to support Simba Arati.
Mimi
But he has
good.
ended us,
we know Simba
he's ready to
Arati
kill us because we differ with him in opinion. Simba Arati wajita sembera mwako muntu nchagi siwa.
Naona abakenya
Watia no kangega siyo boko. I have never gone to the public of blame. Aso kumwina mutu ye mbera ya tata na kumorega ukaimakia bantu wa machogo bonse mwako ikurunga banchira ne ungega second delivery unit ukangega siye mbeo ngachi tapaka mafuta gari kairancha for 3 months. I have never questioned you because I have a right to support whoever I want to support. Simba Arati, this and many more injuries I have in my body. Any commandants go report in a police station. Kiara, you working for Ruto.
Good.
But I am a chocolate whatever you are, never go see Moses Mori. 2027
protection.
Place.
So whichever is happening, Simba Arati is enjoying the protection of the state.
God shall pay.
Bwankoiga abantu bako ekoko omwana okuru ku Fred Okengo Matiang'i mwana bomu Gusii banyali ko ba attacked, and one man Simba Arati nero very mention or sponsor those guns abantu buna makumba naro jokorera sana ote anga oakiwe ongesirwe omorirwe ochwatirwe oitirwe obutorirwe otitoirwe ochabirwe nebi bago wasene chickens chiko sponsored na Simba Arati. I saw some accusing the woman rep of Kisii County, Doris Donya Toto, who are now in one camp with Simba Arati. Kumbuka, politics is all about interest. As long as the interests of politicians can converge, wanna work together, how they are perceived to sail on the same boat. So obere koba accused probably is one of the sponsors of the goods. But the woman rep amejitetea. Niliona place hapa anajitetea kwamba mimi hata mimi ni target, Machogu ni target, mimi kama woman rep ni target. tuko targeted na hizo goons. Previously enyomba yo mugumanire punjaba etekeko kunwa keko ebiro kwatwa because yes siasa jire zemu ya Gusii renovation tirakoro, and the government rep is claiming that they are goods. And actually from this statement ya government rep amesema kwamba the chief goon ni Simba Paul Arati ambaye ni governor wa Kisii County na wako na yeye katika mlengo mmoja wa broad based government. So the question is, who is going to win this battle between Simba Arati and those who are perceived to be the supporters of Fred Okeyo Matiang'i, ama the Fred Matiang'i himself? Because as the time is moving so fast. Na tumeona Simba Arati is slightly winning the ground. The equation is slightly shifting. Previously, 99% walikuwa pro Fred Okeyo Matiang'i. And in fact, Simba had lost the ground. Ndio maana alikuwa anasema ya kwamba tubwate ng'ombe tukukama. Sahi tigatura kama mabere. Bono ng'ombe yitu ibwata mabere. Tigatura kama mabere, lakini tubwate agatururu gaitu tukunya gukarisi buya na karakuwa nkio nkanyore na you see, Simba Arati was sitting on the fence. So what is going to happen in Kisii County? Expect this 2027 February next year. Expect this. Goonism imeya Gusii na Nyamira, Gusii na Kisii County na Nyamira. Goonism itakuwa mbaya zaidi. Chiguni chira chikopa chimbe jise kitotanya kora imeya Gusii yesa tukina. This is the first time tokora na chibura mu chikopa chinsemo cha Gusii. Twakora chibura mu chinsemo chinde, lakini this is the first time tokora chiguns jire abande bali imported from other parts of the country gocha imeya Kisii County koleta chibura mu. Inga anybody who is not pro Simba Arati ama anybody who is perceived to oppose Simba Arati etibona aguchikongeswa aguchikokongonto aguchikomorwa imeya Gusii, especially in Kisii County. This is bad. This is backwardness, and I thought politics ni sera. So kama you don't have an agenda, have you done what you were elected to do? Umefanya hivyo? Kama umefanya, why using goons to gain political scores? Mbona natumia goons Simba? If I may ask, because it's now very clear. Nimekuwa nikikufuatilia na I'm very much convinced that you are using goons. But anyway, me now kuona wewe ni mtu mzuri, the way you speak, the way you do your things. The only problem with you is that you are associated with goons. Okay? Your politics is based on goons. Goonism. Hiyo sasa ndio mbaya, na mimi nachukia politics which is based on goonism. Politics which is solely based on goonism is politics which is doomed to tear our country apart. And that is a failure from your side. So, jiangalia hapo. Anyway, siasa ya Gusii ni chachete. Fred Okeyo Matiang'i versus Simba Arati. Nimbaretere a deep analysis of the same. Because I didn't want this video to be long. Wacha tuonane in the next video. My name is C. Bon. This is Gusii TV.